वृत्तयः पञ्चतयः क्लिष्टा क्लिष्टाः. There are 5 kinds of changing states of mind, and they are either detrimental or non-detrimental to the practice of yoga, states the 5th Yoga Sutra of Patanjali. This sutra can be written into 4 separate words, which are Vrattayah, Panchatayyah, Klishtaha, Aklishtaha. The first word Vrattayah comes from Vritti. Vrattaya here means of the Vritti, or the changing states of mind are. The second word in this sutra is Panchatayyah, in which the base word is Panch, which represents the number 5. Now earlier Patanjali stated that yoga is the stilling of the vrittis of our chitta, and in this sutra he indicates that these vrittis are of 5 types, that is Panchatayyah, and fall into 2 categories as the next 2 words of this sutra suggests. The first category is called Klishtaha. The word has the dhatu klish, which means to trouble. So Klishtaha vrittis are the ones which create trouble in the path of yoga. These vrittis stem from the kleshas, which also has the same dhatu as in Klishtaha. The kleshas or impediments to the path of yoga, such as ignorance, ego, attachment, etc., about which Patanjali talks in detail in the second chapter, gives rise to these klishtaha vrittis. Thankfully, as suggested by the last word of this sutra, vrittis can be aklishtaha or conducive to the practice of yoga. This word has the prefix a attached to the word klishtaha. Hence, it refers to the opposite of klishtaha, that is, non-detrimental vrittis, which aid in the path of yoga. So now, why exactly are some vrittis klishtaha and some aklishtaha? This is because pursuing the path of yoga requires not just knowledge of the path, but high motivation or shraddha. And this motivation comes from our samskars, which can loosely be translated as habit. So, how is a vritti and samskar related? Every vritti has the potency to be imprinted as a samskar on our chitta. Repetition of a certain vritti, either actively or passively, inculcates it as a practice. And the practice, if done for a prolonged period, turns it into samskars. Klishtaha vrittis lead to generation of samskars, which take us away from the path of yoga, and aklishtaha vrittis lead to inculcation of positive samskars, which motivate us to practice yoga with enthusiasm. Any activity you do repeatedly or any recurring thought eventually becomes a samskar, be it in music, games, or studies. Take music for example. Yearning to learn music is a kind of vritti. And when one starts learning the notes, the coordination between the sur and the tal seems like a huge task. And one can very much see the novices being directed to tune in with a gesture of a head nod or a hand wave by the veteran in the team. But as the novices keeps on practicing, they become habituated in recognizing the notes in a split of a second and do not need any external help. What started out as a vritti in the beginning has now turned into a samskar due to prolonged practice. Therefore, as suggested in this sutra, some of the vrittis are klishtaha since their resulting samskars take us away from the path of yoga, and others are aklishtaha since their resulting samskars motivate us further to progress on the path of yoga. Patanjali has further divided all these vrittis that one can possibly experience in 5 categories, whose names will be indicated in the next sutra. Till then, stay connected.